Coming, Bing.
Coco! Hi, Bing. Hello, Charlie. Bubble Trip. Hi, Bing. Hello, Panda.
Someone's in a hurry.
Bing!
You all right, Bing?
Yeah, he's okay.
CBeebies Land! Whoa! No, it's CBeebies Land too! Hello, everyone! Hello! Oh, lovely big waves! Hello! Oh, lovely! Well, my name is Mo, and I'm super excited to be in CBeebies Land today. Are you all excited too? Yes, brilliant. Well, I'm super excited to go on all of the roller coasters. So, I've been practicing my best roller coaster noises. Would you like to see? Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Meow! Woo-hoo! Whoa, that was so fun! I've got a good idea though. Why don't we all do some roller coaster noises all together? Are you ready? Should we do it after 3? 1, 2, 3. Meow! Woo-hoo! Whoa, you were so good at that! Now, I've packed everything I need in my backpack for my day out at CBeebies Land. So, let's have a little look what we can see inside. Here we go. Oh, okay. So, I have my phone, so I can take lots and lots of pictures. I can remember my day out. Let's put that back in there. Oh, I've got my rain mat too. You never know. Let's pop that one back in. Oh, what's these doing in here? Pants! Oh dear. Well, you never know when you might need a spare pair. Let's put those back in there too. Oh, now, yummy delicious. It's a carroty bagel. Oh, this carroty bagel isn't for me. This is for my very special friend. So who do we know that likes carroty bagels? Bing, that's right. He loves carroty bagels, doesn't he? And did you know that Bing and Flop are on their way any minute now to come and join him?
Come on, Bing.
I'm
Can't see them anywhere.
Come on, Hoppity.
There you are. Hello, Bing. Hello there, Flop. And you brought Hoppity too. Hello, Hoppity.
Are you okay, Bing?
Everybody's looking at me, Flop.
Oh.
Oh, well, how about this, Bing? Why don't we say a big hello to all of our new friends together?
Yup.
Yes?
Oh, good idea. Okay, ready, Bing?
Yup.
Are we ready? Let's say a big hello. Hello there.
Hi.
Oh, well done, Bing.
Good for you, Bing Bunny.
Yes.
Now, Bing, we've got lots to do today, and I'm super excited to go on all of these rides, Lord.
Me too. Can I, Flop?
Indeed.
Now, I'm super excited to go on all of the roller coasters. Are you ready? Watch me go, Bing. Meow. Oh, I think I've got to save some of my energy. Oh, dear. Oh, now, Bing, have you ever been on a ride?
No.
You haven't? Well, that's okay, because I've been on lots and lots before, so I can tell you all about them. What do you think?
Okay.
Oh, good idea.
Okay, so, summarize. Go really fast, like this one, the Octonauts ride.
Ooh.
I know, and these, they go really fast. They're really fun. They're just like Hoppity Vooshy things.
Hoppity Boosh.
Ah, yes.
Now, I've got a good idea, Bing. Shall we do some voosing like Hoppity? What do you think?
Okay.
Brilliant. Shall we all do some voosing like Hoppity too? Yes, we're going to go together. Okay, so when Flop says, let's go, we'll all do a great big voosh. Are you ready, everyone?
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Let's go, 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 go!
Whoa! Shall we everything too, Bing?
Yep.
You did? Oh, brilliant! Well done, everyone. Give yourselves a big round of applause. That was brilliant. Very well done. Oh, you're right, Flop. Let's have a look at the map. Now, did you know that not all rides go super fast and boosh? What else do you think they might do?
I don't know.
Not sure. Well, this one is called the Bumpy Go Round. This one spins. It's just like Coco and she dances. Now, do you like spinning, Bing?
Oh, yes.
You do? Well, I like spinning a little bit, but not too much, because it makes me feel a bit dizzy, and I don't like that. But do you like feeling dizzy,
Yep.
Bing?
I like dizzy.
Oh, what about you, Flop? Do you like feeling dizzy?
I like being a little dizzy, but if I get too dizzy, I feel all wobbly and a bit yuck.
Oh dear, me too. Oh, but Bing, I think I might need to practice this spinning one. So do you think you can practice with me?
Okay.
Cool! Do you think you can all practice spinning with me too? Yes, so if we want to stand up on our feet and pop our arms out like this, make sure you've got lots of space around you. Now, don't go too fast. We've got to be careful. We don't want to feel all yucky, do we? So, when Flop says, let's go, 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 we're all going to do some spinning.
Okay, ready?
We're ready. Yep.
Let's
Here we go.
go, 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 go!
Oh dear. Oh, I think I've got a bit dizzy. Maybe I should go around this way. That might help. Here we go. Oh, that's better. I don't feel dizzy anymore. Give yourselves a big round of applause. That was very good spinning. Hopefully you're not too dizzy. But Bing, I don't think I can go on that spinning one. It makes me too dizzy. Maybe you and Flop could do that one
Yes.
together.
Indeed. Well done, Bing.
Oh, I'm hungry. Is it picnic time?
Yep.
Oh, yes, I love picnics and that reminds me, I made you something, Bing, something special.
Oh, yum, yum.
There you go.
Catchy bagel. Oh, thank you.
You're very welcome, Bing.
Indeed.
Yummy, delicious.
Indeed. Let's get the wheelie.
Oh, yes, I'll grab that for you, Flop. Hello there, Wheelie.
Wheelie.
Hello there. Here we go.
Can I put it in the wheelie?
All right. Here you are, Bing.
Okay, let's have a look inside. Oh,
Thank you, Flop. You go in the wheelie.
very good. Shall we go on some rides now, Bing?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah, off we
Ready,
go then.
Bing?
Yep.
There you go.
Let's go, 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 go!
Off we go.
Oh.
Wait a minute. Bing, I'm sure we forgot something.
I know what it could be. Is it a picture with everyone? Shall we all have a picture with Bing and Flop? Would you like
Can we
that?
do a picture, Flop?
Sure. I'll get the phone.
Oh, lovely. Well done, Flop. We'll see you in a few minutes then. Should we give Bing and Flop a great big wave goodbye? See you soon, Bing and Flop.